Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Moscow. It is so very hot now, these days in Moscow. A record every day, temperature record. And today I've got the third and the last queen, Ellen Queen from Neca, the last at the moment. And it is Red Queen Mother from the Genocide series. I decided to make this review in English because there are many questions about how to detect the bootleg version from the original. This is the original from the States, and I want to tell you the differences between the original and the bootleg figure, as they are the same ideas and the same points where you have to watch. Okay, let's start from the box. The Red Queen came in this large, huge box. As you can see, a very good contrast. You can see all the details on the background. There is a background in the box itself, some lava and mountains or rocks. Okay. You should watch on the other side, on the bottom of the box. Here is the year and month and the date of production. You should watch for Real Toys logo. There is no white inserts in the Real Toys logo. The under 3 years warning symbol is in bold font. Okay, so this is the main ideas where you have to watch on the box. Next, let's watch for the blister. As I have the third original queen figure from Neca, I can 100% tell you that the originals have in the mouths or tongues in the right upper corner on the blister. So this is the proper placement of accessories, and the X or spikes are in this order and in this place. So watch for this corner. Also, the blister has the protection. I call it protection. It is a number. You can see here it is written 5, 1, 3, 8 and 5. Okay, this is about blister. Now let's watch on the Queen Mother itself. First of all, you have to watch underneath its crown. There is Fox copyright symbol here. Fox, all rights reserved, on each queen. And here is the Neca logo. Oh, sorry. Neca 2014. Made in China. Okay. 2014. This is the main point where you have to start examining your figure. Also, I noticed that the bootleg version of this figure is misassembled. These horns are underneath its crown. So bootleggers think that this gimmick should work with the moving crown, and this figure don't have such gimmick. You can move the crown, but it is not supposed to do so, as you can simply broke these horns. And the bootleggers put the crown over these horns, and horns are under this crown. So watch for this, especially when you open the box and it is a mint and box figure. Also, a bootleg version has a very bad teeth detail. There is so much bad points in this case, and on original the teeth are very sharp, as you can see. Also, bootlegs rarely have these black stripes on the perimeter of this painting, so watch for this. I will put some photos of the bootleg and of the original to compare. Also, you can easily see in this area these ribs, I think, are very poorly painted on bootlegs. There are many black paintings, so mispaint with this pink, light pink color. The varnish on the original is very good. You can see the figure is shining like it is wet, and it is so well done, so well painted in this area, so you have the feeling that it is an ABS plastic. Okay, so here is the Red Queen. I got it at last, the original one. Also, this original figure has some flaws. For example, these spikes are glued together. Some bad QC issues, I believe. And if you can see here, it has some red paint in this point, but it is okay. Let's also see the crown on top of it. Perhaps you can compare it with your specimen. Okay, very good paint, very good painted, rich color, and the figure smells really good. Bootlegs often smell terribly. Okay. No misassembled of the feet in this case, as you can see. So, otherwise, it is just a straight repaint of the figure with very main remolding. Basically, the horns on its head, I can tell. I'd like to see the translucent teeth, but anyway, good choice. White teeth, very sharp teeth. So, I think I told everything. Thank you for watching and goodbye.